Dear student, handwritten notes of solid states. Solid states that states of matter in which constituent particles are bonded with strong force of attraction. Physical states of matter: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Crystalline solids and amorphous solid. Main four types of crystalline solids, that is molecular solid, ionic solid, metallic solid, and covalent solid. Another molecular solids have polar molecular solid, non-polar molecular solid, hydrogen bonded molecular solid. And main covalent solids have graphite, Buckminster, fullerene, buckball, and fullerene. Some topics of solid states are strong interparticle force of attraction having definite shape, volume, and non-compressible. Constituent particles are atom, ion, or molecule. That is last point. All these smallest things is nothing but particles. Now we are going to distinguish between crystalline solid and amorphous solid. There is in crystalline solid there is a definite three dimensions regular arrangement of particles, that is atom, ions, or molecule. Another, in amorphous solid there is a random arrangement of particles. In second point of crystalline solid, they have definite geometrical form, and they do not have geometrical form. In crystalline solid they have sharp melting point. In amorphous solid they do not have sharp melting point. In crystalline solid they show anisotropy, that is they have ability to show change in value of property when measured in different direction. In amorphous solid they show isotropy in nature, that is they show same value of property in any direction in that solid. In crystalline solid they are true solid. In amorphous solid they are pseudo solids, that is super cooled liquids. They are rigid and not compressible. In crystalline solids have rigid and not compressible, but amorphous solids they are not rigid. They show clean clearage. They show rough or irregular clearage. They have definite heat of fusion. In crystalline solid, that is example NaCl, KCl, that is NaCl which are dissociate completely, Na plus and Cl minus ion, or K plus and Cl minus ion. That is another. In amorphous solids they do not have definite heat of fusion. That is example of amorphous solid are glass, rubber, plastic, metallic glass, tar. That is example of amorphous solid. Now we are going to types of crystalline solid. Main types of crystalline solid, that is ionic solid, metallic solid, covalent solid, and molecular solid. That is force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction, also known as ionic bonds, are formed in ionic solid. In metallic solid, that is metallic bond are formed. In covalent solid, the mutual sharing of electrons are covalent bond, that is covalent bond are formed. And molecular solids, in van der Waals force of attraction in between them. The constant particles in ionic solid, ions, cations, and anions are cations, that is positive ion, positive cation, and negative anions. That is in metallic solid metal ions are present, and in covalent bonds are non-metal atoms are formed. In molecular solid, that is molecules are present. That is melting and boiling point. In ionic solid, high melting point. Ionic solids have high melting point. That is conductance is in molten state. Examples of ionic solids are NaCl, KCl, zinc sulfide, CF2, ammonium phosphate, that is CaCO3, calcium carbonate. In metallic solid, that is have high melting and high boiling point, that is conductance is highest. That is example Fe, Zn, copper, aluminium, brass, rubidium. In covalent solid has also low melting point, that is example diamond, carbon, silica, graphite. In molecular solid, van der Waals force of attraction, that is low melting point. The examples of molecular solids are H2O, CO2, I2, P4, S8, and ice.